I've spent the year in classrooms. I've spent the year talking to teachers. But probably the biggest thing in the time I've spent is talking to our parents, our constituents. You know, it's one thing to have a few classrooms that are doing fairly well in the math program. The problem is 90% of our classrooms are failing terribly. If it takes 2-3 years to bring teachers up to speed, what chance do parents have to be brought up to speed? They can't help their children at home. And that's a big barrier. It drives a wedge between the parents and their kids. And I can't sit back and watch this continue to happen. Our number one job here as a board is curriculum and education. The data does not lie. We continue to go down a path that's not going well. I heard some good news in here, but I have the data sheets. It's not good. If you look at the resolution, it gives us an opportunity over the year to take a look at some other programs. And those programs will be piloted into classrooms for teachers to review and approve and give feedback. Look, if proficiencies are coming up 10, 15, 20%, we may take another look at this. I need a plan B. This board needs a plan B, so we don't jeopardize these kids' education another year. We're going to be proactive. We're going to look ahead. We're going to have plan B. We're going to have things put in order. So if something isn't working, we have something in hand that we can replace it with.
Las Brisas and West Star are by far in our district outperforming from what I see in the data. However, as a district as a whole, our math scores are not good. Our proficiency is not good. And we do have some comparative data with districts around us, and they're not far off from what we are. Litchfield is doing much better than us, and they're still an F in my book for their proficiencies. So that means not just our district, but as a state, we really should be looking at what can we do to help our kids succeed? Get them the curriculum, get them the instruction, get the parents involved. There's many times my kids come back and they show me their homework and I don't know how to do the math they're doing because they're taught a completely different way than I was taught.
Experiments belong in the science classroom, and we've been doing experiments with our students at this district for far too long. Third grade, Blue Horizons, 29% of the kids are proficient in math. Estrella Mountain, an A-rated school, or at least was, 36% proficiency. Freedom Elementary School, 6% proficiency. Las Brisas, third grade. This is one grade only, 70%. Liberty, 15%. Rainbow Valley, 9%. West Star, 71%. District average, 38%. If anybody wants to come to this podium and tell me they'll go to a cardiologist that has a 38% proficiency rate, let's hear it. We'll move on to the next grade level. Fourth grade, Blue Horizons, 20%. Estrella Mountain, 55%. Freedom Elementary, 15%. Las Brisas, 51%. Liberty, 14%. Rainbow Valley, 13%. West Star, 37%. District average, 30%. Still not seeing anybody at that podium looking for a cardiologist with that kind of review. Fifth grade, Blue Horizons, 21%. Estrella Mountain, 57%. Freedom, 6%. Las Brisas, 31%. Liberty, 16%. Rainbow Valley, 6%. West Star, 35%. District average, 25%. Sixth grade, Blue Horizons, 11%. Estrella Mountain, 27%. Freedom, 6%. Las Brisas, 17%. Liberty, 19%. Rainbow Valley, 3%. West Star, 30%. District average, 17%. Still nobody at that podium. Seventh grade, Blue Horizons, 8%. Estrella Mountain, 52%. Freedom Elementary, 14%. Las Brisas, 31%. Liberty Elementary, 41%. Rainbow Valley, 11%. West Star, 30%. District average, 24%. I'm still not seeing anybody there. Eighth grade, Blue Horizons, 11%. Estrella Mountain, 32%. Freedom Elementary, 23%. Las Brisas, 15%. Liberty Elementary, 45%. Rainbow Valley, 10%. West Star, 52%. District average of 25%. It's not acceptable to compare ourselves to neighboring districts that are as bad or worse.